Unodeskly Marketplace. In this video, we'll take a working AI blog generator workflow, package it as a reusable .wfpkg file, upload it through the Unodeskly developer portal, complete the marketplace template information, submit it for review, and finally see how the approved workflow becomes available as a marketplace listing. This complete process allows developers to turn their automation workflows into reusable templates that can be shared with other Unodeskly users. 1. Start with the AI blog generator. We'll begin inside the Unodeskly Workflow Builder. Here we have our AI blog generator workflow already created and tested. The workflow contains the required automation steps for generating blog content using AI. Before publishing, we can review the workflow structure, connections, inputs, and configuration to make sure everything is working as expected. Once the workflow is ready to be distributed, we can package it directly from the workflow. 2. Export as a .wfpkg package. From the workflow actions, select Export Workflow Package. Unodeskly prepares the workflow and creates a .wfpkg package. This package contains the workflow definition and the information required to reuse the automation. Instead of manually rebuilding the workflow, users can install the packaged workflow and configure the required values. Our package is the AI blog generator.wfpkg file. Now that the workflow has been packaged, let's move to the developer portal. 3. Open the developer portal. The developer portal provides developers with the tools needed to manage and publish their marketplace assets. After signing in, navigate to the marketplace section and select the option to create a new listing. This starts the marketplace publishing process. We can now provide the workflow package that we created in the previous step. 4. Upload the workflow package. Select the AI blog generator.wfpkg file and upload it. Unodeskly processes the package and validates the workflow structure. This step ensures that the package can be processed correctly before continuing with the marketplace submission. Once the package is accepted, we can continue to the listing details. The overall workflow is simple. Build the workflow, export the package, upload it, configure the listing, and submit it for review. 5. Complete the marketplace listing. Now we fill in the marketplace information. For the template name, we'll enter AI blog generator. Next, we provide a clear description explaining what the workflow does and how users can benefit from it. We can select the appropriate marketplace category and add relevant tags, such as AI, content automation, blogging, and marketing. We can also upload a thumbnail or icon that represents the workflow in the marketplace. Next, we provide the template configuration information. This can include the required inputs, expected outputs, configuration instructions, credentials, and other information users need before installing the workflow. The objective is to make the template easy for another user to understand, configure, and use. 6. Review and submit. Before submitting the listing, we review all the information we entered. We can verify the workflow package, title, description, category, tags, thumbnail, configuration information, and any required credentials. Once everything is ready, click Submit for review. The marketplace listing is now submitted. Its status changes to Under Review. 7. Marketplace Review. The Under Review status indicates that the submission has entered the marketplace approval process. At this stage, the listing can be reviewed before being made available to users. The developer portal allows the developer to track the current status of the submission. This creates a controlled publishing lifecycle instead of immediately exposing every uploaded workflow to the marketplace. 8. Approval. Once the review is successfully completed, the status changes from Under Review to Approved. The workflow has now successfully passed the marketplace publishing process. Let's open the Unodeskly Marketplace and verify the result. 9. Final marketplace listing. Here we can see the AI blog generator listing in the marketplace. The information we entered during the submission process is now presented as the marketplace listing. Users can discover the template, understand what it does, review the available information, and install it into their Unodeskly environment. What started as a workflow inside the Workflow Builder has now become a reusable marketplace asset. 10. Complete publishing journey. So let's quickly recap the complete journey. Step 1. Build and test the workflow. Step 2. Export the workflow as a .wfpkg package.